Learn English with RAKIZAR Spoken English course. Basic vocabulary versus advanced vocabulary. Number 1. Basic word dangerous. Its advanced word is hazardous. Its sentence is, this road is hazardous. Number 2. Basic word funny. Its advanced word is humorous. Its sentence is, he told a humorous story. Number 3. Basic word hungry. Its advanced word is ravenous. Its sentence is, I am absolutely ravenous. Number 4. Basic word famous. Its advanced word is renowned. Its sentence is, she is a renowned writer. Number 5. Basic word strange. Its advanced word is bizarre. Its sentence is, that was a bizarre experience. Number 6. Basic word big. Its advanced word is enormous. Its sentence is, they live in an enormous house. Number 7. Basic word weak. Its advanced word is frail. Its sentence is, the old man looked frail. Number 8. Basic word. Clean. Its advanced word, अब आपकी बारी है. अपना जवाब कमेंट्स में जरूर लिखें. Join Spoken English course by RAKIZAR Institute. Register now at +9 2323 8868 000.